Welcome! If you want to keep your Facebook profile looking clean and professional, you might want to hide your nickname from the top of your page. With Facebook's latest update, the steps have changed a bit, but don't worry. I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, right on your PC. First, open your browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile photo. This will take you straight to your personal profile page. Now that you're on your profile, look for the About section. It's usually found just below your cover photo, along the menu bar. Click on About to access all your personal details. Next, find and select Details About You from the list on the left side of the page. This section holds all the extra information you've added to your profile, including your nickname. Scroll down until you see your nickname displayed. Right next to it, you'll notice 3 small dots. Click on those dots to bring up a menu of options. From the menu, choose Edit Name. This is where you can make changes to how your name and nickname appear on your profile. You'll see an option that says Show at Top of Page. If this box is checked, your nickname is currently visible at the top of your profile. Simply uncheck this box to hide your nickname from public view. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the window. Your changes will take effect immediately, and your nickname will no longer appear at the top of your Facebook page. That's it. You've successfully hidden your nickname using the new Facebook update. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.